Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. The world of cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving and is updated daily with new projects. In my videos I share with you the most interesting and profitable of them. And earlier on my channel I already told you about various decentralized applications and revolutionary blockchain-based social networks, such as Connect Stellar, ArtTrade and others. In continuation of this topic, I would like to tell you about a unique project that is focused on creating an alternative internet controlled by the community. Today we will talk about the platform called Tomi, its key advantages, features and much more. So let's get started. First of all, let's find out what this project is. To do this, I suggest going to the official website of the platform to study it in more detail. Tomi is a Web3 company with 8 offices worldwide and head office in New York. Tomi uses decentralized DNS, high-performance computing, multi-chain wallet and unique browser to further decentralize digital assets and cloud services and provide infrastructure for Web3. The idea of creating this project is based on the experience of one of the founders, who experienced a complete denial of basic human rights, such as the right to freedom of expression and the right to property, without legal grounds or logical explanations. From personal pain in his mind, the idea was born to find a solution to the real need of billions of people around the world, to ensure freedom of information and expression outside of government and state, and give the individual full control over these basic rights. Tomi's goal is to create a new internet where large companies can no longer control the flow of information, and people can freely and privately buy and sell cryptocurrencies without government or corporate surveillance. Let's take a closer look at the key features of the platform. Tomi is building an alternative network to the infrastructure of the World Wide Web, with several important unique features, the most important of which is the governing body through the DAO and the storage network of confidential data, making it impossible for the network to be captured, censored or pressured by large organizations. At the same time, TomiNet adheres the principles of decency and morality, blocking and regulating websites that violate the rules of community. Thus, the project fights against violence, terrorism and other illegal activities. The Tomi community guidelines will be updated and regulated by the network users. To block a website, TomiDAO votes to disable the NFT associated with the website address. In addition, TomiDAO will have several different decision categories, each of which will have a corresponding process associated with the decision type. To make offers to TomiDAO, the offerer must have at least one Pioneer NFT. The company's tokens are distributed among countless people, which means that the founders of Tomi will never have a really strong and dominant power over it. The estimated total supply for an initial period of 5 years is about 597 million Tomi tokens. 42% of the total supply of tokens will be allocated to the community distributors and TomiDAO. 33% to the core team, developers, advisors, marketers and other vendors. 18% will be distributed to the funding team and the remaining 7% to the seed investors and early contributors. When it comes to security, you can really trust this project. A smart contract security audit conducted by one of the leading companies in this field proves the absence of loopholes and backdoors. As for the products provided by the Tomi platform, first of all I would like to draw your attention to the Tomi MP1 cloud computer, which will be available on pre-order. This device has huge power and provides its owners with many features, such as photorealistic visualization, accelerated artificial intelligence, VR applications, GPU mining on the blockchain and much more. The project also offers its own domain name system. The TDNS protocol is managed by blockchain using NFTs that represent ownership of a URL. Of course, this protocol is required for TomiNet, which is a powerful, secure and anonymous browser. In addition, Tomi provides access to the OmiPay multi-chain digital wallet and the Pioneers management community. Also, when talking about Tomi platform products, it is impossible not to mention the revolutionary project called TPL, which is a part of a private and anonymous infrastructure. This product creates an additional layer of privacy on top of the Ethereum blockchain, which will allow transactions to be not only anonymous but also private. This way, no one will be able to access your wallet. To develop its ecosystem and acquire content, the project raised $40 million in a funding round. As for social networks, Tomi is actively developing them and strives to draw public attention to the idea of a decentralized internet. You can join the discussion of the project in Discord or Reddit, subscribe to the page on Twitter, Telegram and other social networks. There you will find more information about the activities of the platform and its latest updates and events. In addition, you can find information about Tomi in the news feeds of Cointelegraph and Forbes. As you can see, Tomi is a really interesting project that offers a revolutionary solution that can protect the freedom of speech. If you're interested in this project, you can familiarize yourself with it by clicking on the link in the description under this video. If this video was interesting for you, support it with a like and share your opinion about Tomi in the comments. Thank you for watching and goodbye.